Picture this. Mom just passed, and instead of grieving with family, you're stuck in a courthouse for the next year, watching strangers dig through every detail of her finances. Does that sound awful? Well, that's probate. Today, I'm going to show you 3 simple ways to protect your Arkansas family from probate delays, costs, and headaches. So when something does happen, your loved ones can focus on healing, not courtrooms. Hi, I'm Gary, an estate planning attorney right here in Northwest Arkansas. I went through probate 3 times with my own family's farm, and let me tell you, it's something I don't want anyone else to have to do. That experience pushed me to help Arkansas families skip the whole mess. Now, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set things up now so family avoids probate completely. No year-long court battles, no huge legal bills, no strangers poking through your family's private business. In Arkansas, we have something called a beneficiary deed. Think of it like writing someone's name on your house, but they only get it after you're gone. So basically, you create the deed, you sign it, and you record it at the county courthouse, and then your house skips probate completely. You're in complete control while living, and you can even change your mind later. Here's the Arkansas twist. This deed also shields your home from Medicaid, the nursing home, if you ever need that kind of care. Other states don't always offer this protection. So if you've moved here from somewhere else, don't assume the rules match. So let's say your home's worth $200,000. Without a beneficiary deed, your family faces probate, which is going to cost about 6% of the home's value. That's $12,000 just in legal fees. Plus, family will end up waiting a minimum of about 8 months before they can even touch the money from the house. A beneficiary deed costs maybe $300 to $400 to set up, and your kids inherit immediately. That's an easy choice. You can also walk into your bank and ask them to add a payable on death designation, or POD for short. Then you add this to your checking and savings account. You'll name the person you want to receive the money when you're gone. They get 0 access while you're alive, but the instant you're gone, they walk in with your death certificate and get the money. No probate, no waiting, no court. So for example, let's say your sister keeps $50,000 in a savings account with no beneficiary listed. When she passes, that money gets frozen. Your family can't pay bills, they can't cover final medical expenses, nothing moves until probate wraps up. But if she'd named you as the payable, as the beneficiary, you'd have that cash in your hands within days. Quick, private, stress-free. A revocable trust sounds fancy, but it's essentially just a bucket you create now and fill with your stuff. Investments, rentals, vehicles, anything of value. You control everything in the trust while living. You can add, remove, change rules anytime you please. Then when you're gone, the person you picked as your successor trustee, basically your backup manager, just gives everything out according to your instructions. Again, no judge, no public record, no probate. So think of it this way. Probate happens when assets sit in your name alone when you pass away. A trust takes those out of your name, gives them to the trust so that the trust owns it instead. There's nothing for the court to probate. And in Arkansas, this is huge because probate can drag on for a year or more, rack up thousands in fees, and broadcast your family's private business in public court files. A trust keeps everything private, fast, and under family control. So there it is. 3 straightforward ways to save your family from probate nightmare. You set up a beneficiary deed, add payable designations on accounts, and consider a trust for the other stuff. You'll spare your loved ones months of stress, piles of legal bills, and painful delays during an already heartbreaking time. Now, if you want to dig deeper, I've put together a free guide specifically for Arkansas families. It walks you through each option and shows you exactly what to do next. Check the description below, grab your copy, and take that first step towards protecting the people you love.